Namaste, hello friends. In this video, I am showing you all how to make a sensory glitter bottle. This can be used as a toy for toddlers and preschool kids as this gives a very calming effect, but it can also be used as a decorative piece that can be kept on your desk, and this also has a very peaceful calming effect when you watch all the glitter floating in the bottle. So if kids are doing this glitter bottle, take the assistance of adults, as we are here using dish soap and food coloring. We have come to the end of the video. Thanks for watching. Until next time, bye.